Hello class 7. Let's revise chapter number 2, which is atmosphere. In last video only I have told you about your syllabus. Lesson number 1, 2 and 3 will be coming in your exam, and map work of Australia, physical and political will be coming in your half yearly exam. Okay, so let's start your revision of lesson number 2, which is atmosphere. Yes, first question is that what is atmosphere? It's a mixture of gases. It's a mixture of gases which entirely envelopes the earth. Okay, this is called atmosphere, envelope of, yes, it like envelopes, or it's like an envelope or a blanket. Okay, here different types of gases are present in atmosphere. Okay, yes, composition of atmosphere. 78% it covers. Which gas covers? Nitrogen. Oxygen 21%. 0.9% which covers argon, and other gases they cover 0.1%, and all these gases makes all these gases make atmosphere. Okay, the atmosphere acts like a shield. Can you see here? It is like atmosphere, and it works like shield. It protects from cosmic rays. Cosmic rays, what are cosmic rays? They are piece of atom. Okay, and they fall down here. They fall down, piece of atom, cosmic rays, and atmosphere, it protects us. Now you understood composition of the atmosphere. Now structure. Suppose this is our earth. Okay, now layers. There are layers of gases which makes life possible on earth. Here from 0 to 11 kilometer, 0 to 11 kilometer, which layer presents there? Troposphere. There is troposphere. The average height of this layer is about 11 kilometer, and about 80% of the total mass of the atmosphere is contained in this layer. Weight is contained, maximum weight is contained in this layer. Which layer? Troposphere. And thus all weather phenomena occur in this layer. The temperature in this layer falls with increasing height. As we go in height, the temperature decreases. Okay, as we go here, temperature decreases. Now second layer is stratosphere. It extends from 11 to 50 kilometer, and most of the ozone of the atmosphere is contained in this layer. Which layer? Stratosphere. Most of the ozone contained in this layer. Long distance aircraft fly in the lower part of the atmosphere. Okay, stratosphere 11 to 50 kilometer. Troposphere 0 to 11 kilometer. Now mesosphere. Mesosphere, this is the third layer and it extends from 50 to 80 kilometers. And this is the coldest layer also. Coldest layer, which layer? Mesosphere. And it also the layer in which a lot of meteor burns up while entering the Earth's atmosphere. But here I forgot to tell you about stratosphere. Most of the ozone layer contained in this layer, and meteors entering the Earth's atmosphere generally gets burnt in this layer. Which layer? Stratosphere. Generally they are burnt in this layer. Mesosphere, it also burns, but here stratosphere, most of the layer they are burnt in this layer, stratosphere. The fourth layer is thermosphere. It extends from 80 to 600 kilometer. It has two parts. For the lower part is ionosphere and the upper part is called exosphere. Okay. Ionosphere, here ionosphere, the lower part of thermosphere. Okay. Here this layer reflects the radio signal back to the radio signal back to the Earth, thus making radio communication possible. And about exosphere, this is the upper portion. The upper portion of the atmosphere is called exosphere. The atmosphere acts as a filter to the radiation coming from the sun. Here, harmful radiation coming from the sun is not allowed to reach the Earth's surface. Okay. About thermosphere, this is the hottest. Thermosphere is the hottest layer among all four. Okay. Thermosphere, this is the hottest layer. Here, the summary of this layers is the lowest is troposphere, the highest layer, the topmost layer is thermosphere. Okay, thermosphere, it has two parts. The lower part is ionosphere and the upper part is exosphere. Okay, and thermosphere is the hottest layer. Troposphere, the maximum mass contained in this layer only. Which layer? Troposphere. As we go in height, then temperature decreases. The second layer is stratosphere and it extends from 11 to 50 kilometer, and this most of the ozone layer contained in it. Second thing, meteors, they get burned in this layer. Which layer? Stratosphere. Third one, mesosphere. Mesosphere, this is the coldest. This is the coldest layer. It extends from 50 to 80 kilometers. Thermosphere 80 to 600 kilometers. Okay. Now the ozone layer. Ozone layer, it forms. Okay. Ozone layer forms a thick layer. In stratosphere. Second layer, stratosphere, it forms a thick layer in it and encircling the earth that has large amount of ozone in it. And what does ozone layer do? It protects our earth from harmful rays coming from the sun. This is the role of ozone layer. But now what is happening? Depletion has been started in ozone layer, and causes of depletion are excessive release of chlorofluorocarbons, deforestation, and large quantity of carbon dioxide in the air. They are the reason of depletion of ozone layer. Okay. Greenhouse effect, that is the natural process. Greenhouse effect is the natural process. The sun is the main source of heat. The sun is the main source of heat which radiate energy that travel through the atmosphere and reach the earth. Thus, rays of the sun warm the earth and heat from the earth then travels back into the atmosphere. Heat which is not required, then they get back to the space. Okay, and this process is called greenhouse effect. And the greenhouse gases are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone. They are greenhouse gases. They are given in book also. To understand this chapter more, you can take help from the videos which I shared with assignment 12 and 13. Okay, that's all for the day. Thank you and best of luck for your exam.